Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Dropbox file. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in open Dropbox application, then get logged into your account by providing proper account credential. That is your login ID and password. As I have already get logged into my account, now to delete any files in Dropbox, as you can see, here are some files uploaded in my Dropbox account. Now to delete these files, firstly you need to tap on 3 vertical lines just beside the files. Scroll to the little down. At the bottom, you can see the option of delete. You tap on it. Are you sure want to delete this item from your Dropbox? You tap on delete. As you can see, one of the file has been deleted from my Dropbox account. This is how you also can delete other files and folders from Dropbox account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete Dropbox file. Thank you.